Morning everybody, Calm Biker here, taking advantage of this nice Saturday morning. A little cold, but sun's out, so when you get a sunbeam it's lovely. So I'm off to pub down the road, not for a pint, not for the beer garden, but to meet up with Chris, and then we're heading off to a petrol station to meet up with Jamie and Dave from Mr. Smith's Biking Adventures, and we're off to see an old castle, Wressle Castle, which I'm not sure we can actually get to. Not sure you're actually allowed to walk up to it. It's on private land and I think it might be fenced off. However, it's in an area where there are no restrictions on flying a drone, so my backpack's on, my drone's in it, so hopefully going to get the drone up and show you a little castle. It's a ruined castle and it's occasionally used as a location for wedding events. I can't imagine you get married in it because, as far as I could tell from the pictures I saw, there's bits of wall missing and no roof, so but I suppose it's still possible on a warm day. It also gives me a chance to add a couple of lanes to my map for my lanes challenge, because it's in an area that I have been to before, but only when I was doing the loop around all of East Riding, so that I was defining the border that I was going to ride all the lanes within. Hello!
Don't forget to f***ing wait for me. Oh, you're bringing an animal out. You'll have to wait for him 2 minutes now. Pheasant took the screen off back there. I want to see if it's on road.
Oh, right, okay. It fell off on this road?
Yeah, pheasant backed off my helmet, took the screen off, backed off.
What? Well, that's a turn up. Them pheasants are particularly stupid. But Chris has hit one. It's come up and hit his screen and then bounced off his head. I don't know why I'm going ahead of him, because I don't know where it happened, but I had slowed down because I couldn't see him in my mirrors, so must have been a fair old whack back. I'll let him take the lead because he'll know better than me. The problem is that as you ride along here, people have been littering like mad, so you keep seeing clear plastic and it's just somebody's thrown a bottle out of the windows have driven past. It's coming for another go. No luck finding it. Interesting little tower at the side of the road there. I wonder if that's for a tunnel. I know there are tunnels in this kind of area, but I don't know if there's one actually there. This is a little woodland near Raikes Mausoleum. I wonder if you'll be able to see it with no trees, or no leaves on the tree. Yeah, you can actually see it from the road. Can't do that in summer. Certainly couldn't see it when I came here with Graham. Quite an eerie place to visit. I'll put a link to the video about it in the corner. That house there, the two-tone house, belonged to a colleague of mine 20 years ago, and he had that extension done and he said he wanted the bricks to match, and he wasn't happy that they didn't really match, and they never really They said to him at the time, it'll sort itself out, don't worry. But clearly it never did. Hey up! All the golfists over there. The chap that lived in that house, the two-tone house, was a big golfer. But he never played there apparently, even though he lived right nearby. Very, very expensive golf club. To be fair, I'd rather be on my bike. And a few years at the golf club costs about the same apparently. A sign to wrestle. Not a sign saying you have to wrestle. A sign pointing to wrestle. So we must be near it. I've never seen it before, so I don't actually know where I'm looking. I'm not sure how big it is. I think it's quite a small one. The quality of this road surface feels pretty medieval. Maybe that's for the medieval castle. I don't actually know if it is a medieval castle or not. With looking for Chris's screen at the side of the road, didn't get a chance to look up any information, but Dave reckons that there's a sign there, so I can at least point the camera at the sign. Here we are in Wressle. Nice treehouse. Castle Farm. Well, we must be near, mustn't we? There it is, I think. A castle. 14th century, eh?
Yeah, it's really old.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not a barrett house.
Barrett house wouldn't last. A barrett house wouldn't last that long, no.
You only get about 18 houses on there for the barrett house, maybe more.
Oh, they'd put 200 in here.
Yeah, they would, yeah.
That was Wressle Castle. A bit nerve-wracking with all those birds around. I thought they might have a go at the drone, but got away with it. I've stuck some little shiny stickers on the drone that are supposed to make the birds stay away, but of course no way of telling if that's what did it or not, but you know, it's worth a try, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.